What'd you get?
So I got minus 21x minus 26 on 7x plus 2 to the power of 5.
Oh, very close. I've got 30 minus 21x. So you got the minus 21x bit right. Okay. But I got 30.
Oh, yeah, it's a plus. Yep, sorry.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. All right. Try S.
Sure.
Okay. Now, S, when you have a look at S,
yeah,
how you've got that square root.
Yep.
How would you treat that square root?
Change it to negative a half. So like x plus 1 to the power of negative a half.
Oh, yes. If you change it to negative a half, the power, then you would use the product rule.
Yeah.
But if you're going to treat it as the denominator, then the power is
half.
A half, and you can use the quotient rule.
Quotient rule. Okay.
Does that make sense?
So I should just make it a half and then do it normally?
And then you can use the quotient rule.
Yeah.
Both techniques are perfectly fine, right? But you use so let me show you what I mean. So if you've got y equals to, now it's, what is it, 3x plus 1 over the square root of x plus 1. That can be written as 3x plus 1 over x plus 1 to the power of a half, which you would use the quotient rule for.
Yeah.
Okay? But it can also be written as 3x plus 1 times x plus 1 to the power of negative a half, which you would use the
product rule for.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Both will give you the same answer.
Okay.
Got it? But given that this exercise is all about the quotient rule, yep.
I'll use the quotient rule for it.
Use the quotient rule method, yeah.
So the product rule was...
the quotient rule is just the product rule in disguise.
So for the product rule, it's still inside times outside. Or inside, yeah.
Yep, so again, hold on. If that's U,
yeah,
and that's V, then the product rule is U dash V plus V dash. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, what am I doing here?
So are you right to do this one using the quotient rule?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And you kind of need to use the chain rule for this one.
For
the function of a function rule for this one.
Yeah.
Got it? So you know how you go U, V, U dash, V dash, right?
Yep.
To do the V dash bit, you use the function of a function rule.
So it'll be half x plus 1 to the power of minus a half.
To the power of minus a half?
Yeah.
Times
1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it? So don't forget the times 1. Even though it doesn't change the answer, just don't forget it, okay?
Sure.
Yeah.
And then on the top, it'll be 3 outside of x minus 1 to the half minus... So do I expand it out and then simplify it, or do I just leave it like the way it is?
In your first line will be leaving it like this. Got it?
Yeah.
Your second line will be,
But it'll give me like half, so it'll give me a fraction on the top.
Yeah. It might. Okay. Yeah. So your first line should look like this. Hold on. Got it?
Yeah.
So is that right?
So it'll be 3 outside of x plus 1 to the half. I don't think it's x plus 1 to the minus a half for like the second bit, is it?
This bit here.
Yeah,
Why wouldn't it be?
because it'll be 3x plus 1 and then times a half and then times x plus 1 to the minus a half. Oh, wait, no, never mind. But I thought it was 3x plus 1, not just 3x.
Why would it be 3x? Well, oh, sorry, 3x plus 1. Yes, sorry. Okay, cool. So this will be...
And then the other bit,
Yep.
was just 3 and then x minus 1 to the power of a half.
Good. No, this will be to the power of minus a half.
Yeah, I'm talking about the first bit.
This bit?
Yep.
What would it be?
It'll be 3 and then x plus 1 to the power of positive a half.
Sorry?
So it's 3 outside of x plus 1 to the power of half.
Yes, that's right. Is that right?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, and is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're on the same page?
Yep.
Okay, what do we do from here?
I tried expanding it, but like, I don't really know if I did that right.
Okay, right. Here's what we do, okay? Let me explain. We're going to multiply both top and bottom by 2, okay? Whoops. By 2 outside of x plus 1 to the power of a half. Now, why do we do that? Explain why we might be doing that.
To remove the minus a half, I think.
Yes, so that will cancel with that. Got it?
X plus 1
And the 2 will cancel with the half. Got it?
Yep.
And then the 2 times that will give us 6. Yep. And then this times this will give us what?
X
To the power of?
plus 1 to the power of 1.
To the power of 1. Does that make sense?
Yep, so it'll be 6
Yep.
x plus 1.
Oh, hold on. Let me just undo that. Yep. So 6. What?
6x plus 1.
Yep.
And then plus.
Plus. Yep.
But for this bit,
Yep.
it's going to give you like a weird.
No, it won't. Because
Oh, yeah, because it's all one term after. Oh, yeah, okay. So it'll just be minus 3x.
Where's the minus? Oh, yes. This is going to be minus. Yep. Yep. Good.
Minus 3x plus 1, and then times x plus 1.
No.
Oh, no, just times 1, sorry.
Yes.
So it'll be x plus 1 to the power of 0.
Yep, that's right.
And then the half gets cancelled out by the 2, I think.
Which half gets cancelled out by the 2? Oh, yes. This and this. Is that what? Yes, that's right. Okay.
And then
on the bottom, yes.
It'll be 2 outside of x plus 1 to the Oh, 3 and 2, yeah.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Cool. And then what does that become?
So 6x plus 6 minus 3x minus 1.
Yep. Becomes?
And then that'll be 3x plus 5
Yes.
on 2 outside of x plus 1 to the 3 on 2.
Yeah. And we write it in surd form.
So it'll be 2 outside of root x plus 1 to the power of 3.
Yes, we write it in surd form because the question was given in surd form.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
So that is the right answer to that. Got it?
Yep.
All right, so try T. Try T.
T. So y equals root x minus 1 on 2x minus 3.
Yep.